this video, you'll learn how to explore Niagara Falls like a pro in 2025, discovering hidden gems and must-see attractions. Niagara Falls is a breathtaking destination that attracts millions of visitors each year. With so much to see and do, it can be overwhelming to plan the perfect trip. Many visitors feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of activities and sights, making it difficult to plan the perfect trip. About Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is one of the world's most awe-inspiring natural wonders, located on the border between Ontario, Canada, and New York, USA. It consists of three waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, largest and on the Canadian side; American Falls, on the US side; Bridal Veil Falls, also on the US side, separated by Luna Island. Together, they create the highest flow rate of any waterfall in North America. Best time to visit: spring, April to May. Pleasant temperatures and blooming gardens. Fewer tourists. Some attractions begin seasonal operations. Summer, June to August. Peak season, everything is open and bustling. Warm weather, best for boat tours and fireworks. Book hotels and tours in advance. Fall, September to October. Stunning fall foliage around the gorge. Cooler weather, but still comfortable. Crowds start to thin. Winter, November to February. Magical snowy views and frozen falls. Great discounts on hotels. Most outdoor attractions are closed, but winter festivals and indoor options are open. Canadian side. Best panoramic views of Horseshoe Falls. Well-developed tourist area with lots of dining, hotels, and entertainment. More attractions within walking distance. United States American side. Closer proximity to the base of the falls. Nature-focused experiences through Niagara Falls State Park. Less commercial, more budget-friendly. Tip: if you can, visit both sides. The Rainbow Bridge allows pedestrian and vehicle crossing. Passport visa required. Top things to do: must-see attractions, both sides. On the Canadian side. Journey behind the falls. Walk behind the cascading water. Niagara City cruises. Up-close boat tour. Skyline Tower, observation deck plus revolving restaurant. Clifton Hill, amusement area with arcade games, museums, and rides. Niagara Park's Butterfly Conservatory. Power station plus tunnel experience. Explore historic hydropower sites. On the American side. Maid of the Mist, iconic boat ride. Cave of the Winds, walk right to the base of Bridal Veil Falls. Niagara Falls State Park, trails, picnic spots, and scenic vistas. Observation Tower, best close-up American view of the falls. Goat Island, separates Horseshoe and American Falls. Great trails. Adventure activities. Helicopter tour. Breathtaking aerial view of the entire area. Zipline to the falls. Glide toward the falls. Canadian side. Whirlpool jet boat tour. High-speed ride through Whitewater Rapids. Whitewater walk. Wooden walkways along the Class 6 rapids. Niagara Glen. Hike scenic trails through a prehistoric gorge. Where to stay. Canadian side. Luxury. Marriott Falls View. Embassy Suites. Sheraton on the Falls. Mid-range. Radisson. Hilton Niagara Falls. Budget. Skyline Hotel. Days Inn. Travelodge. United States American side. Luxury. The Giacomo Hotel. Seneca Niagara Resort and Casino. Budget. Red Coach Inn. Quality Hotel. Wingate by Wyndham. Tip: choose a room with a falls view for a memorable stay. What to eat. Local specialties. Poutine, Canada. French fries with gravy and cheese curds. Buffalo wings. NY. Originated nearby in Buffalo. Ice wine. Sweet wine from Niagara-on-the-Lake wineries. Maple syrup products. Top restaurant picks. Skyline Tower revolving dining room. Dine with 360-degree views. Queen Victoria Place restaurant, overlooking the falls. The Keg Steakhouse, Falls View tables. Top of the Falls restaurant, U.S. Seasonal dining with views. Getting around, walking. Most tourist spots are walkable. Wago Bus, Canada. Covers all major attractions. Discover Niagara Shuttle, U.S. Free hop-on, hop-off shuttle. Taxis and ride shares, widely available. Bike rentals, available along the Niagara Parkway. Rental car, ideal if you want to explore outside the falls. Entry requirements and visas. U.S. citizens, no passport needed for domestic travel. Canadian citizens, ID required for return. Other nationals, tourist visa required for the U.S. or Canada, apply in advance. If you want to cross the Rainbow Bridge, you'll need both U.S. and Canadian visas. Nexus and global entry programs are supported at border crossings. Events and seasonal highlights, 2025. Winter Festival of Lights, November to February. Light installations and fireworks. Niagara Falls Fireworks Series, nightly in summer, June through August. Niagara Wine Festival, September, in Niagara-on-the-Lake. Falls Illumination, nightly year-round, themed colors during holidays. Canada Day, July 1st, and 4th of July celebrations, major fireworks. Photography and viewing tips, best views. Canadian side at Table Rock Welcome Center. Skylon Tower. Terrapin Point on Goat Island, U.S. Bring a waterproof camera or case for boat rides. Golden hour, sunset, is the best time for dramatic shots. Travel tips. Pack waterproof gear. You will get wet on boat rides. Stay at least 2 nights to see everything comfortably. Cross-border phone charges. Be mindful of roaming. Tipping. 15 to 20% is customary in both countries. Currency. Use CAD in Canada, USD in the US. By following these tips and recommendations, you'll be well equipped to make the most of your Niagara Falls adventure in 2025. Don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment sharing your favorite Niagara Falls experience and check out our other travel guides.